Hey there, Falcons, how you doing today? Just wanted to point out a couple things. These are some irises that I actually got from my first grade teacher when I did her landscaping when I was in high school. It's getting ready to blossom. This is going to all be nice and purple by next week. Here's a peony that's flowering. These actually came from my grandmother's house, so we brought them to Georgia when they moved here. But I wanted to take a second and talk about the limiting factors activity y'all did today. So when y'all looked at, or not today, this week, when y'all looked at the limiting factors activity, there were 3 sets of data. We had light penetration, phytoplankton numbers at different depths of the lake, and oxygen concentration. So remember, phytoplankton undergoes photosynthesis. So light penetration was a limiting factor on where phytoplankton could live in the lake. Phytoplankton, which undergoes photosynthesis, produces oxygen, and oxygen is a limiting factor for organisms in the lake. So sometimes the deeper depths of the lake may have colder water, and cold water does hold more dissolved oxygen, but if there's no light penetration reaching those depths, then there's no phytoplankton, and with no phytoplankton, no photosynthesis means no oxygen. So that's why sometimes the deeper depths, even though the water's colder, doesn't contain a lot of oxygen. Now, at different times of the year, there is something called lake turnover that happens, and the bottom of the bottom water reaches the top, and vice versa. That may be something you want to look up on your own and study, but it is very interesting. Other than that, guys, I just want to, again, we miss you. All the biology teachers miss you. We hope you have a great weekend, and we'll get back after it on Monday.